How to change your nickname on Emo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your nickname on Emo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Emo. Once you are here, click on the profile icon up there and click again on your profile, and you're gonna find edit at the bottom. Click on it, and here you have the second option, which is nickname. And now you have you can change nickname by click on your name, and you can change your name now. And now click on the check, and like you see, I have changed my name. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.